Let's take a tour of Agile in a box. This is a meeting-driven Agile machine that will generate an application based on your specifications. This is our base of operations. Currently, there's no formal meetings, but you can chat with your team at any time. Sarah, the PM, Mike, the architect, Alex, the developer, Jordan, the tester, and a hidden scribe. They understand their role in this app and are there to guide you and assist you. Here I say, hi everyone, and everyone responds. I ask who can help explain the app to you, and Sarah responds explaining how this thing works and how you start and end meetings. Before we start a meeting, let's take a quick look at the buttons. Click Vision to see a review of the current vision document, Backlog to see your requirements, user stories, wireframes, etc. Hit the Sprint button to see the sprint activity and the rationale, or use the sprint rollback feature. The Progress button will watch sprint progress as a sprint is going on. And the Run button is to start and stop your generated app. Let's start our first meeting. This is a vision meeting. Note the top left corner. Since I already have a vision defined, I've just asked her if there's any issues. But this is where Sarah would interview you until you get a complete vision captured. Here in the requirements meeting, I asked Sarah to develop a requirement from the vision. She creates a requirement and a wireframe for onboarding checklist. At this point, I could ask for any adjustments to the wording or the visual wireframe. I then start a sprint planning meeting and ask Mike to create a plan for a short sprint with something that's quick and easy to test. He then selects stories and gives his justification. I approve it, and then he creates the plan. Next is where the rubber meets the road. I start a sprint execution meeting and kick off the sprint run. You can observe the team roll up their sleeves. You see Mike creating specifications, the architecture, and break down the tasks. Alex carries out his development duties, and Jordan does her testing. When tests fail, Alex gets to see the results and give it another go. The team displays what they're up to and their tasks that are being run in real time in the window, and I'm able to type into the chat, but notice only Sarah is the one who will answer. The others are busy. Once complete, you can start a sprint review meeting to support your acceptance testing. I asked Alex here to check the code for bugs before I even started. Found one, asked to fix it. I said yes, and he did. To run the generated app, you just click the Run button here, and this is what an application looks like after the first 2 sprints. Let me know if you have any questions. Contact me, Ralph@ralphsacco.com.